What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencian. Welcome back to Chulation Diaries. Mega love, shout out mga ka-queenies. Yes, we are back for a reaction video for the Divas of the Queendom for their performance for today's video. But before I proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. OPM Hugot song ata for today's video ang kantahan nila. Oh, there are 6 queens for today. Maringhana and Thea. Hugot na hugot. Sakit na ba lang hugot ni Hana? Ganda ng arrangement. Oh, the Queendom style. Yan ang maganda sa Queendom. Ganda ng switching. Rock ballad tayo for today. Yung switching. The placement was so good. Whoa! Oh my God, na-miss ko to. Wow. Hey! Grabe. The vocal flares. Grabe si Ana. Buga. Sustain. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my God. May baon silang oxygen for today's video. Grabe yung placement and the vocal flares and the switching. I love the arrangement. Yung arrangement na ginawa nila. Like power ballad na may pagka-rock. Kita nyo naman sa outfit din nila, guys. Grabe. Inano tayo, humugot si Hana doon sa rosas sa kanyang palda. At yung belt na ginawang palda ni Thea. Oo, grabe. Grabe ang version na ito ng umuulan ba? Ano ba ang title ng kanta na to? Parang 90s band to, guys. Grabe. Iba ang hatak, iba ang hagod. The lung power is superb. Oh my gosh. Grabe yung kay Hana dun. Top of the note. Who's next? Annabelle. Oh, Naya. Si Yumi Naya. Charit. Ko to. Buti na abutan natin sila for today. Nagsimpa kasi tayo, guys. Go, Naya! I love her in Born to Shine. Ang ganda ng character. soft tone. Grabe yung arrangement, guys. Taas. Ganda ng soft tone nila. Oh! Pag-kwendang arrangement talaga, guys. Hey! Oh, go Naya! Go, Arabel! Oh my God! Grabe yung overlapping high notes. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Ayoko na. Aalis na ako. Charot. Grabe naman to. Grabe. Oh my God. Buti na talaga naabutan natin ang Queendom for today's video. Grabe ang vocal flares and yung overlapping high notes. Alam niyo yun na bumubuga parehas ng bonggang-bongga itong si Naya at si Arabel. But you can see na hindi siya yung nagka-clash. It's part of the arrangement and the harmony. Grabe, but the lung power from Hannah and Thea to Arabel and Naya, grabe. Galing to sa mga sa maong outfit nila for today's video. Oo, at grabe rin to talaga si Naya, no. Iba kasi siya sa Born to Shine eh. Talaga nagsa-shine siya for today's video. Love it. Oh my God. Oh, Julie and Jenny Sikat. Charit. Dara Halari and Jenny Sikat, guys. Charit. Grabe naman ang pabangs ng Julian for today. Go, Jenny! Charit. Oh. Grabe yung lambing. Oh. Wow, the special head tone of Julie. Oh. Di ba siya yung young Dara Halari? Grabe ang boots ng Julia. Wow. Soothing. Grabe. Bigay na bigay ang second. Whoa! Hey! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! I love it! Grabe naman pala ang tandem for today's Divas of the Queendom. Grabe, Zephanie and Julian. Dara Halari, the young Dara Halari, and Jenny Sikat, guys. Makita kang muli. Tama, yun yung title nun, guys. Sa Panday yun eh. Grabe, I love the arrangement this week. Grabe ang todo ang lung power. And in fairness kay Julie, bumuga din siya for today's video. At syempre, Zephanie, superb performance, and to all the girls. Grabe, 6 lang yan guys ha. Hindi sila kompleto for today's video, but busog na busog tayo sa arrangement, sa high notes, sa vocal flares, and amazing performance. What can you say about that? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Laser Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.